Alright, quite a new topic here. This is something quite different. We're talking about series, which is a situation where you are adding together a sequence of numbers. So it's just a long list of numbers and you're adding them all together. And the idea we're trying to find out is whether this series converges or diverges. So if we have a look at this first one, if we just draw effectively a number line, so 0, 0, 1, 2, etc. If we start off with 1 over 1 is 1, so it's our first point. And then we add a half onto that, so it's going to go up to 1.5. And then we add in a quarter onto that, so quarter is a half of that remaining half, so it's going to go there now. And then we're adding on an eighth. Okay, and as you can see, each time I'm just halving the distance to 2. So if I keep on halving the distance to 2, I'm never quite going to get to 2. But I can get as close to 2 as I like. And that's what we mean by converging. So this series converges to 2. Okay, so it doesn't matter how far we go, we're never going to be able to get past 2 because we're never going to halve the distance that's remaining to 2. But we can get as close to 2 as we like. So if we like to be within 0.000001, 2, then it's got to keep on going to the number we're adding is that small. And what's left will be half of that. So we can get as close to 2 as we like without ever actually going past 2. Okay. Whereas some series obviously diverge, like this number, for example, we're just adding bigger and bigger things each time. So the thing you're adding to is always going to keep on getting bigger and bigger. There's never going to be a limit. It'll just escape. And basically, one really simple idea here is if the if the element we're looking for, so this one we'd call U1 and U2 and U3 and U4. So each element of our series is the nth, or the nth one is the nth one, each the U. So if Un as the limit as n goes to infinity, so n gets infinite, if Un is heading towards 0, then it may converge. It won't necessarily converge, but it may converge. And if the other one, if the limit as n goes to infinity of Un is not equal to 0, it will definitely diverge. Okay, so the point here is our numbers are getting bigger. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So our individual U terms are getting bigger and bigger. So they're not heading towards 0, so it will definitely diverge. With these ones, the individual terms are getting smaller, half, a quarter, an eighth, a 16th. So they're getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So the limit as n goes to infinity of Un is heading towards 0. This means that it may converge. Not necessarily will converge, but may converge.